Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Loud House character, and this time it's gonna be Lisa. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw Lisa, and to begin we're gonna draw her eyeglasses first. So it's just gonna be two big circles. So we're gonna draw one, and then there's gonna be some thickness to the glass, so I'm gonna draw the other. Just kind of go all the way around. Same kind of curvature. Okay, and then from the other, I know it's kind of hard, you know, to draw a circle, right? Sometimes. So here I'm gonna start out with the inside. Hopefully it'll clean itself out a little bit better with the circle once I'm done. Now I'm going to draw the outside. And when I come up, I'm going to stop right there because it's going to be a strand of hair right over the glass. So I'm just going to draw one little angle like this. Just draw a little rectangle like that for now. Okay, so then to finish off the eye, so right in the middle, it's just going to be two lines and then the eyeball. So after that, I'm gonna draw her nose. So it's gonna be really easy, right? So it's just right in the middle. It's kind of like an upside down U. And then from there, her little mouth. So just right underneath the eye here. Okay, so very cartoony. And then for her face, so we're just gonna draw just one big curve. Okay, and just kind of stop right around there. And now we're gonna draw her hair, which is probably the most complicated part. All right, so from here, from this little rectangle we did, so we're just gonna come and start making these little strands. And this one's gonna go right over the glass. And go in, and then one big one here. Okay. And now we're gonna draw one little smaller one, and then we're gonna go one big one up here. Okay, and then on the back here, on the top, let's draw one more. And then now we're gonna let's come back down here and then go this way. One more strand there, and then this one's gonna come straight across the eyeglass. Okay, and then now we're gonna come down here. Let's draw a little bit right on the side of the face. We're gonna draw a little line there. And then from here, now we can finish off her glasses and also her ear. So we're gonna draw a circle here. This is gonna be her ear. And then the detail inside, just a line and a little bump. Okay. And then to finish off the glasses, so we're just gonna go two straight line out behind the ear, come down, okay? And then I'll shade it later so you can see a little bit better. I know it's a little bit hard to see right now. Okay, so from here, so one little more strand and then one big one going back. So we're gonna draw these two lines up here. And then now we're gonna come in. We're gonna close it off, but before we close it off, just give a little bit of these little corners here. Okay, and then from here, let's go down. Another strand here. And now we're gonna come all the way down. And here, straight down. And again, we're gonna close it off, but just before we close it off, let's draw a little bit more these little corners. And again, I think the hair is probably the most complicated part of this character. Maybe a little bit line here, one here. Okay, and then on the other side, there's gonna be right here, more hair coming down. And again, we're gonna close it to her face, but then we gotta draw this one little angle. All right, so now we got our face, and the rest is pretty easy. I'm gonna draw her clothes. So this is gonna be her turtleneck. Draw a little curve underneath. And now we're gonna draw, let's see, straight down. Just a little bit of bump here. I come across. Now I gotta draw her arm first. So Right here, we're gonna go straight down, just 2 straight lines. Give it a little bit of roundness to it. And our fingers, just gonna be 1, 2, and 3. So it's really small. And now we're gonna finish off that and just kind of connect it back to, to the hand. And then now on the other side, so we're gonna come down, close it off, and then our fingers is just gonna be one little lump like that. All right, very simple. Okay, so now our legs from the middle, just kind of come straight down, come down, and then we're gonna draw a curve. It's gonna be our pants. And then now for shoes, gonna come straight down and just kind of close it off. And again on the other side, same thing, just come down, a little bit of lump, and curve it back down to the center. And now for the shoes, and close it off. And that's it for this Lisa character from the Loud House. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.